Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a red exterior with a beige interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 2,465. Have a push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, backup camera, climate control, center console, and shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.